Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amir and this is the Genesis GV60. Now these are amazing cars. They look fantastic. They have all the features you could want. However, it was missing one very important feature, and I'm sure you would have guessed by the title of today's video, that is heated seats. So this car came into us and they've traveled actually all the way from Warwick, so a fair distance, to have this upgrade done. So what that involves in this case was adding in heated seats to both the front driver's and passenger seats. The way the install done is really carefully, and it takes a lot of time and patience to do, but the results are very much worth it. So the install begins with a full exterior and interior inspection of the vehicle, making sure the car is perfect and documenting that in our internal group chat. And the next stage becomes actually installing the heated seats on the car. So both seats come out, we strip the leather or the material that's on them, install the heated pads and install the button in a really convenient location, in this case just on the side of the seat, really nice and accessible but also visible as well, so you can see the two sections and lights on it as well. Then once you've done that, the seats go in and final checks are completed and the car is ready to go back to the client. It sounds simple, but it is not that. It is a really difficult job, but it looks absolutely amazing and the results are impeccable. Now, the client was really particular about where they wanted the button, and we made sure really to go through them where that button was. Obviously, our usual location is on the side of the seat, but if you would like another location, it can go pretty much anywhere. But this client was happy for it to go where it is, and we just went through that with the customer just beforehand to make sure they were overall and very happy with the job. So the car is all complete now. The heated function has two settings, so you have a high and a low feature, and as well the way we wire it up is so that you can leave it on overnight and it will still turn off when you turn the car off, and that means you can just get in and go in the morning and it'll be ready, warming up straight away for you. It's a really nice solution and one that always is really important. Heated seats is one of the must-have features in any car in my opinion, and now this Genesis has it. So if you're interested in adding in heated seats just like this to your vehicle, or maybe another upgrade such as Apple CarPlay, reversing camera, dash cameras, there are so many upgrades we can do here at CBS Automotive. Feel free to get in contact with myself and we will find the right solution for your car, whether that be heated seats in a Genesis like this or any other upgrade. But hope you've enjoyed today's short little video just explaining how the heated seats work and how the system is actually installed in a vehicle. Now, thank you guys for watching, and feel free to like the video and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next one.